What's up, family? Welcome back to yet another valuable stream. Welcome, everybody that's going to be joining us, watching this even as a recorded version. But those who are joining us live, you're in for a wonderful afternoon here where we're going to just make profits. I welcome everybody as we're just waiting for you all to join. As you guys join, please do like the stream. Please do not forget to subscribe and also let me know where you guys watching from. So definitely we on for something over here. I give God the glory and thanks that today we are able to have breath in our lungs and be able to come back again and do this live sessions that impact so many of you. Yesterday was a day of profits. I hope you guys banked on some amazing profits. I see people are commenting where they are coming from. Thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. I see Johannesburg as well in the house. Two people from Johannesburg. I believe one of them is my student. This face looks quite familiar. You'll correct me, sir. Richards Bay also there. Richards Bay, I see in the house. Amazing. Welcome everybody. Let's just put and just show everybody who's coming in what we're all about. Skilled FX Academy. This is what we're all about. Okay, so as we welcome more people, tell me guys where you're from, where you're watching from at this moment in time, and let me know if my audio is quite clear or I should speak a bit louder. I am using a different monitor, so I just tried by all means so that my chart can be a bit clearer. Because the other one, I had a very big monitor. It was almost this size. So even my hands don't show the size of that monitor. So the chart was not appearing as nice in terms of the sizing. So this monitor, at least the chart will appear. We have Botswana in the house. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Welcome to everybody who has just joined us. I'm going to just put my monitor here. I'm going to have a phone monitor to just see the quality of this stream, but nevertheless, it should be all right. Let us share the stream and welcome more people who should be joining in. Share it with your friends and family. If you have a Discord group, share it over there. We need everybody to be joining. We need everybody. Day 3. Yes, this is day 3, definitely. And we keep on going, guys. We keep on going. Definitely, we will keep on going. This is day 3 of us being. I have Gurman. Oh my God, amazing. Gurman in the building. Sound is fine. Thank you so much. Amazing. Thank you to hear that. Let's welcome more people. Oh, we do have Lesotho. It didn't show your flag over here, but I can see it on my phone. So I do have my phone here just checking. Lesotho in the house. Thank you so much, sir. Day 3, that's what we are having now. Okay, let me just put this over here, then I can monitor it quite well. Okay. There we go. So I'm gonna soon, of course, share my chart. I'm just welcoming many people that are going to be coming. And of course, what's your sentiments for today? What's your sentiments for your NASDAQs and your US30 today? Yesterday was fire. US30 sold. We did call that out. NASDAQ bought. I'm not sure if some of you went into that buy even after we closed the stream. The buy passed that supply. There was a supply that we had predicted that the market would actually hold. It passed through. So that buy, I just ate small. I mean, 1:1, but the US30 was amazing, 1:6. So hopefully today, God can give us the same grace to get the same trades or even way better trades with way better execution. But I want us to work together today. As I said, this is not a one-man show, by the way. It's just us coming together as a community to combine heads together and really make sure that we're getting everything right over here. And just a disclaimer that I need to put it, as we always do for those who are joining us now for the dead day in a row, is that FSCA, our government, does require us in terms of to give a disclaimer and to say This is just for informational purposes. So as you guys know, I need to say back to you, Forex trading carries high level of risk and may not be suitable for every investor. So there is high level of degree of leverage that can work against you. Okay, you can also read that on the stream. And of course, this stream one is all about, it's just for informational purposes. Okay, just for informational purposes. We do not tell you whether to buy or sell. If you want to choose to copy my trade, you're more than welcome, but it's just me giving you the information that's on my chart. Okay, I hope that we understand that. Um, Now let me hear what you think, guys. US30 buying is buying today. Okay. Again, guys, don't be afraid to comment whether you think it's gonna buy or sell. You shouldn't be afraid of that. There's no simply wrong answer until the market takes place. Even then, there's really no wrong answer because you can be saying it's buying, it sells a bit, then buys, right? Or some can say it's gonna sell, then it just sells a bit, they catch that sell, then it starts buying after. So there's no really wrong answer in the market overall. It's not like an exam where there's already a stipulated answer of what's gonna happen. Whatever that you say, it can possibly happen. Well, why do you think US30 is gonna buy? Why do you think US30 is gonna buy? Let's have more people. Let's have more people join in, guys. And if you wanna send me your analysis, right? I do have a number displayed here. If you wanna send me your analysis or just ask anything about our services, you're more than welcome there. Okay, but if you don't mind, send me your analysis and let's see what you're up to on that case in terms of. So there's a number displayed on your screen. We can access it right now and see your chart and actually show your chart on the live stream. So you're more than welcome. But nevertheless, you can always just give your opinion in terms of what you see in terms of just trading and so forth, and yeah, everything like that. And let's like the stream, guys. As soon as you're joined in, please do like the stream. We need the stream to be shared with more people who need this type of content. It's many few South African traders that actually do live sessions like this. I'm not just covering South Africa, but I'm covering overall the whole of Africa, United States. I mean, there are people yesterday who were watching from all over the world. So today, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if they were not sure if I'm gonna be going live or what. But here I am. So yeah, maybe they're a bit late, or I was a bit late. So, but anyway, we are gonna be making profits today, I tell you. And I hope that you are ready to make profits with me. I just hope that you're ready to make profits with me. Today is a day of profits. Yesterday was a day of profits, and we can simply agree that today we can just make profit again. Can one use price action with smart money? It's the same thing, brother. It's just rendering. I will tell you. Price action, smart money is the same thing, but I guess in terms of what you're saying, yes, one can use that. I don't use entirely what we call or what everybody calls smart money, right? I'm a price action trader mixing everything of that sort over there. Uh, so yeah, it's just an approach. Like there's trends in trends, there's market structure trending. So there are people who just use market structure, use previous highs to get in trades and so forth. There are people that use trend lines, there are people that use patterns. You can mix the two, they will complement. So definitely, but in terms of ideally, everybody is using historical price action to get what's going to happen in the market. So hence why I say it's the same thing. Okay, so you can mix the two as long as they complement their own clash. Okay, I'm gonna be showing my chart very soon over here. I'm just gonna now present it, then we can get in straight into business. I believe people are just waiting to see my chart. As you join in, where are you from? Where are you watching me from? As you joining me over here, where are you watching me from? I believe you should see my chart. It would be a bit better now on your screens instead of being zoomed out a lot. Um, I see, brother, because it was really confusing me. I got you, man. I got you. Yeah, whatever that complements your trading approach. Of course, it takes a lot of back testing. It takes a lot of forward testing. It takes a lot of learning to know exactly what style you are comfortable in using. So you need to practice a bit more. I see somebody from Northwest over there. I see somebody from Port Elizabeth, Ekabeja. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I do love that place so much. Probably I am gonna move there. I do want to move there, but timing is just. But we will get to see. I do actually want to move to PE. I believe you are just one of my students, if I'm not mistaken. That name is also quite familiar in my mentorship. It's quite very familiar. Amazing, guys. Amazing. 012 Pitori. I am born there. I stay there. This is my place. This is my place. Guys, I was literally born here, like literally in town, CBD. That's where I was literally born, not far from Union Building. Eh? Welcome. Welcome. I see you. I see you. I see you. Um, oh, yes. Oh, yes. So that means you're one of my students. But yeah, definitely PE. I am in love with it. um, it's showing us some rejection rather, and it's on a support level. But I'm not sure about that. So I think we're buying US30K. So two people US30. Or is it the same person? Yeah, I think it's the same person who said buying USD. So, guys, tell me your sentiments on this market today. Tell me your sentiments on what you see, what may potentially take place on the markets. And yeah, the monitor that I'm using today, it's a bit better in terms of screen size for you guys to see. I normally use the other one I've been using to edit and to do a lot of hectic projects on it. So it's like 34 inches. So this one is a 27-inch. So it's a little bit much better to just see my overall chart. Okay, even on the phone, it looks much better. If I zoom in as well there, it looks much better. Okay, we will analyze shortly. I'm just getting everybody together over here so that we can be on this thing and be in one accord. So we have about 25 people joined in right now. I want your sentiments. Where do you see the market going potentially and so forth? Okay, where do you see the market going? Where do you see the market going? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know, guys. Where do you see NASDAQ going, and also where do you see US30? And as well, you don't have to trade two pairs at the same time, right? Whatever shows you, uh, you rather, whatever shows you more confirmation or confluence, that's what you can take. All the way from Capital Park, amazing, not far from the airport over there. I see a buy on US30. It's on my support level. Amazing. Middleberg, uh, Mpumalanga. I did grow up around the Mpumalanga areas, but I'm not sure now if it's still under Mpumalanga, the place. I grew up in Kangala. So anyone who's watching in Kangala, Ebrongo Spruit, I did grow up around that area. I also grew up around Davidton and Springs. So if you're around there, shout out to you, shout out to you. I do know those people, amazing people over there. So if you are watching from Brongo Spruit and Kangala, definitely it's a very beautiful place. I also used to stay around about Davidton and Springs there. Beautiful places. It's been a while not going there, but I should surely visit. I should surely visit. Welcome to everybody joining us. What do you see on US30? What do you see on NASDAQ? Before I'm about to just open up my chart over here that's open to you, but I'm going to break it down very soon and we'll just take a few minutes to each break it down. As well as, guys, this is informational purposes. I will put my trade decision and you will decide whether to take it or not. I am not telling you whether to take that trade. It's just you deciding on your own will and on your own power if you are really taking that trade. Okay. But we can align our predictions, we can align information in terms of all types of analyzing styles and so forth, and we can reach a conclusion or a hypothesis of where the market is going. I just hope you hear me, guys. Just hope you hear me. Just hope you hear me. And again, disclaimer: it is required by the government of South Africa, or rather the FSCA and the FSB, that I put this disclaimer for you guys that you see on my chart, so we know that we're really dealing with some risky business here. But of course, trading can be very risky if you don't understand what you're doing and you over risk with money you cannot afford to lose. When you trade or you decide to take a trade, I would advise don't take money you don't plan to lose, right? Trading is risky. I always trade with money I'm willing to lose. I'm in when I'm in the trade. I think of the West. so that even if when I go on profit, I will still be fine. We are heading for a daily fair value gap. I believe you did see my intraday analysis. I was talking about the fair value gap over there. I'm not sure if you did see it. I did post a video today. I do post London session and I tell you what's going to happen on the markets. Let's see, waiting for price to mitigate my supply zone on US30 for some beautiful counter trend shots. So you wanted to mitigate your supply. Which time frame is that? Which time frame is that? Okay. So you initially saying it should buy to that supply, then you sell off. Is it gonna take place today? Predicting. But anyway, let's go to the chart now. Let's not waste any further time over here. I really wanna be busy. Let's go on to NASDAQ. Let's go on to NASDAQ. Then we can sort of I'm just gonna remove this banner that you can, but there's nothing over there. That's all right. There's nothing. Let's just put this beautiful one where we're talking about our institution. There we go. Let's get into business. I'm starting with NASDAQ, then we can go on to other stuff over there. Okay. Okay, so it's been on a downtrend. Let's check what's happening. Yesterday was the retest of this whole NASDAQ market. So today we just want to see exactly what will be happening. If we are continuing with the trend or we still gonna go very up again. Okay, so that's exactly what I want to be dealing with over here. And I did show you guys previously, I did start to say we did have an engulfing candlestick here. So it proves to me that we may still continue lower for those who are swing traders. You know, we do have a swing candle over here that I want you to take note. And in my morning one, I did highlight that there was a fair value gap over here that the market can actually push into if it decides to go bullish today. But we want to actually just validate price action. So I'm going to have to go all the way to the 4H and just show you exactly what we are seeing. I do respect market structure and trends. So let's take it from there. We do have an impulse over there. We have a pullback. We have an impulse. We have a pullback. We have an impulse. And we have a pullback. Now the impulse is still quite there. So let's check exactly what's causing this impulse and if this impulse is still going to continue in the next hour or so. This candlestick is left with about 40 minutes. It can indicate to us, it can be a very good catalyst that we're actually seeing sells over there. I see NASDAQ, I see some sort of sells. Okay. Let's just validate that. Okay. Nevertheless, I see that this supply here is exactly what is pushing this market down. We can clearly see this supply over here. Everybody understands who's been watching my channel what is the supply, and there we go. It's that candlestick there. Okay. Let's go. Okay, now we can see that candlestick. Let's go all the way to the H1 and see exactly where we are in terms of, so the market did react beautifully to that supply, to the 50% of it. And now, of course, we are indeed here. So clearly, it's still following the downtrend. I mean, if I put my moving average there, you will see that the market is pressed down, as well as if we put it like this, it's a little bit supported, but it's going to break off of that. Okay, so my bias can be a bit bearish in this. I just want to confirm in terms of which levels are we trading off. There are other points that the market can actually use as well to sort of just be impacted over here. But if we do not get a clear directive, I will not go. I did see before coming on this session, I did see something on US30. So, but let's break down everything and be patient with price. Sometimes you just gotta be patient when you're analyzing in terms of price action. We did have this demand area right here in terms of this whole candle. I'm just gonna remove my EMA and we get to go. Okay. But let me see something. Let me see. Okay. There we go. I just want to see something over here. If are we actually really mitigating this? So this is from the H1, this can be a very good demand area. So as you can see, we did have a bearish candle and a big bearish candle in this area over here. Let me zoom in for those who are using phones. And this bearish candle can really create for us a demand area that we can find. The market is sitting directly inside that demand area, so we can actually get something happening here for us in terms of just buys over here. Just want to see something. Yeah, it can happen that we can get buys today. I see people saying sells, but let's just see. I just want to refine this, but we are exactly at 50%. And if we are unsure, we don't trade something we're unsure about. Okay, so we need to align confluences and be sure that we're getting all the confluences. Okay, there is a fair value gap right at this 50%. I'm going to highlight it with a different color that you can get to see it over there. Okay, I'm sure you can see where that fair value gap is. That's where I've highlighted that over there. So if we can actually get into this areas where we are seeing this, then definitely we can actually buy off this and just go higher. But I'm yet to confirm. It's not aligning with my whole confluence over here. As I said, I do have a strategy that I use privately that I do not share on YouTube. So it's not aligning with that strategy. So for me, usually when I trade and I'm trading here with you guys, I'm sure of something or two before I actually just go live. Okay. Let's go to US30. It will give us more confirmation as well in terms of what's happening. I want to go all the way to the daily time frame and see exactly what's happening. US30, it seems like we're getting the same sentiment over here. It did actually go into this, rejected off. Let me just go back to my initial zones here and how I mark zones. Okay, there was a supply, of course, that where it hit. Let me just see. We will go all the way to this supply is exactly this one here where this market hit. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So that's where US30 actually hit yesterday. So after it actually had sold all the way, so this way it actually sold yesterday, sold over there. Now we do have a small pullback. And this small pullback, we can have something here. I saw people say they were predicting buys for US30. I just want to confirm something quickly. Okay, a zone that we're actually approaching is this zone over here. Is this zone over here that we're approaching, this areas here. We can actually take this low as liquidity and actually just set off. When we actually just sell off into this areas, then buy off. Okay. Let's just go to the 15 minutes time frame, then I'll align and I'll give you my hypothesis exactly where I see the market going. Let's see. I just got a comment here and says yesterday your analysis was on point. Tell us the strategy. A lot of people are blowing here, but we still support you. No, the strategy is limited to those who are in the mentorship. But I've taught a lot of strategies on YouTube, so you can use what is given here. Remember, this is just for informational purposes, so I can't tell you what to do. If I give you my strategy, I'll be giving you financial advice, right? So there's some things we cannot share over here, guys. It's not everything that we cannot share. Some of the stuff we have developed for years, so we can't give it out freely just like that. Okay, there we go. So US30 looks quite good for buys as well over here. I want to confirm at least 3 minutes before as well, just weekend, and then I'll confirm my direction or which direction I'm taking just 3 minutes before. Just want to see something here. So now what I'm doing here, if you just see me having my phone here, I just want to confirm the stocks. So there's some stocks that we check as well. I've taught that strategy here. It does help with sentiment in terms of that. I see NASDAQ is reacting off to that. So it's reacting to that demand over here, which is quite good for now. That's actually good. So this can actually be a very high probability trade, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna put my stop loss here. Okay. We can actually pass that supply there. It's already been mitigated. For the sake of this live stream, I'm gonna want to take profit somewhere here. Okay, you guys see that? Okay. Definitely, brother, definitely. Some people will not understand that. Some people will not. Okay. Few minutes left, then I will confirm my hypothesis. So analysis is only an hypothesis until it happens. So it's almost like you're trying to cause something there. Let's just see. But price action says, or smart money says buys on NASDAQ. Smart money says buys on NASDAQ. Okay, just want to confirm something here. Just waiting for my investing.com. I do use investing.com for a lot of stuff over here. Few seconds and then I confirm. Okay, yeah, stocks are quite positive today. So your Teslas, your Amazons, Apple, Microsoft, they're quite really positive. Okay, but I'm gonna still trade very much cautiously as well when it comes to this NASDAQ. Okay, so I am taking this setup. I trade cautiously. I don't blow accounts. I'm gonna only use 1% of my total value of my portfolio, just simply 1% over there. Okay, 2 minutes left. I'm just gonna get another confirmation here. Okay, we can spike a bit lower slightly and then start going up. Wednesdays, they're not quite my favorites. I'm not sure if somebody understands. There are some good days that I like trading, like your Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays are very good because the market just goes in one direction. Wednesdays, we get a lot of reversals. So if the market was trending in one way for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it likes to reverse. Thursday, it continues. Friday, it just closes off what it started on Monday. So Wednesdays, usually reversals take place. Okay. I am in on NASDAQ with a very reasonable lot size. I'm trading quite cautiously on this one, family. That's how you should approach trading in terms of just being very much cautious. I approach it like that. Again, I'm not supposed to say that according to FSCA. It's not financial advice that I'm giving you. It's just simply what I do. Okay. I hope we are on the same page, guys. You see the disclaimer that's on your screens right now. This is not a signal. This is just me taking a trade. We should spike a bit lower first and then go back up. Okay. So let's see what's cooking here. Let's see what will cook on the stream. Okay, yesterday we did get some delay a bit. We did get some delay of trading over here. So we'll see what happens over here. We'll see. Okay, so far we are good in profits. It's a bit small, but let's go. Are we also reacting? Let me just see this comment. We're also reacting to the 4H fair value gap to go up. Let me just see. Because there's a fair value gap right now on the M15 that, as you see, it's highlighted in yellow over there. Let me just see what my brother's talking about. Yeah, definitely. It's a demand and a fair value gap all in one. Okay, it's a demand and a fair value gap all in one. So if that's what you see, it definitely can be an added confluence to this analysis over here. You want to trade cautiously. If you did take that trade, again, you are not advised by me. You are just copying what I'm doing. That's all right. Let's see US30. US30 sold. So this area we pointed, it was quite volatile, right? US30 was quite volatile. I should have took US30. NASDAQ this slow, these days is being very slow for my liking, eh? I mean, it's moving in profits. There we go. It's moving in profits, but this thing is slow, 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 slow. Yeah, it's slow. For the New York Stock Exchange, it's very slow. This was very fast. I mean, right now we'd be talking, people would be singing hallelujah. But I did say again, it should actually sell into this. I'm not sure if this zone is gonna hold. I haven't put my risk parameters there, but I'll just mainly concentrate now on NASDAQ since we're in profit over there. As you can see, bro, will this live go on even next month? Yes, it will. It will. It's not just for this month, guys. As I said, my reason for doing this live is because I used to do it a lot. I used to do it a lot, right? And I had stopped because life got really busy. I got blessed with another child as well, so yeah, it was really, really, really quite busy. But now, okay, both of my sons have grown a bit, so praise the Lord for that. So I do have a lot of time on my hands where I can just go on to the streams and just impact people's lives. So the OGs of this channel know very well that we used to do these live sessions, and you guys were making serious money. So definitely, this is just me giving out back to the community for your support. I mean, we are on 24K subscribers right now, so definitely. And I do love YouTube, so I want to be consistent. So that's another thing why I'm gonna carry on doing these lives. Okay. Oh, US30 God. Oh my God. US30 was just too fast. Too fast. Look at it, it's actually now reacting off that zone over there. It's reacting off that zone, US30. Okay. My God, my God, my God, my God. Jackson says this is quality information. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. We are trying our level best. We are trying. We are trying. Oh, US state is beautiful as well. Very, very volatile over here. Very volatile. So since it's responding to this, people were saying buys for US30. You were accurate. You were accurate. Very much accurate, which is good. Which is good. So that's what we need. We need a community where we can be on the same point over here in terms of analysis and so forth. Uh, so this is quite beautiful, guys. Now, since this has reacted, let's just check something with the stocks over here, where we are with stocks. Okay, amazing, amazing, amazing. Look at that. I should have also put a position here for so many people that also saw this. For so many people that saw our US30, you probably would be in profit if you had decided to take that along with your confluence. Okay, NASDAQ is still a bit slow. Yesterday, just after I closed, the stream, guys, NASDAQ went shoot up. So I didn't get to share that excitement with you guys over there, but it was so fast. It was so fast. Just after I closed the stream, guys, NASDAQ just shot up. So today's setups as well, screenshot them. If you see what's happening there, screenshot it and you add your own confluences there and you make your own trading decision, guys. That's amazing. Who who took my trade with me? I want to put it like that, guys. Who took my trade with me? NASDAQ, US30 today, we may see them going the same direction overall. Okay, So this, I also called it out and it just turned over there. We'll put this, there's some people that actually did take this. I'm not sure if they took it from here or here. Okay, if you did, then somewhere here it can be a stop loss and you take profit. Let's just see long term over here. What are we doing? Okay, I did see a brother who said they were aiming that US30 should go to their supply. Where is that brother's comment? I'm not sure if it's still there. Where is that brother? Oh, there we go. There we go. So this brother said that they're waiting for US30 to push and then go into that supply over there. I believe they're talking about that supply. Correct me if I'm wrong. But beautiful, beautiful stuff over here, guys. Beautiful stuff. Screenshot some of this. Screenshot it, guys. Screenshot. NASDAQ is in profits. US30. I didn't take US30, by the way. I just only concentrated on one because I do have another trade running. I did have another trade running, so I can't run two. I did have this trade running. I actually did send a signal on this trade on my signal group, and it hit all the take profits. Glory be to God, but I'm still holding it. So probably they just got out here. I did take partials, and I'm still holding. So I can't take more than two trades, okay, because I'm trading a prop firm over here. So I don't want to take three positions all at once. Yesterday, I was able to take US30 and NASDAQ at the same time. So today, I'm just going to take NASDAQ, and I'm also on the pound, euro pound over here, okay? Euro pound. Amazing, guys, amazing, amazing. Let's just see US30 what it's doing. Let's just give it a chance. If it's really gonna respect all of that. Who took US30, guys? Who took US30? Away, Matlati. Dango, Dango. There are a lot of people who are called Jackson here, right? I have Jackson who just commented. It's a different spelling, but nevertheless, it's the same thing, right? Yeah. Oh, amazing, guys, amazing. Welcome to all the Jacksons. Okay, US30, NASDAQ. I'm not sure. Let's just go to DEX30. I'm not sure if you guys saw my analysis while we're just waiting for those things there. It didn't go all the way there. So in the morning I said we should push all the way, then we take a sell from there. But it didn't actually, it just sold off of this bigger zone over here. It actually fills in a fair value gap. But nevertheless, that's all right. That's all right. We're not concentrating on DEX now. We're concentrating on your NASDAQs and so forth. But this zone proves to be really good. This zone proves to be really good. I'm getting a lot of messages from my students over here. This is beautiful, guys. Amazing, amazing. So if you have the patience, like me, you will hold. Let's just see. Please mentor. Do you add gold on our list? Is moving nicely, milking it from Monday. It does move nicely, but for this, it can be quite inconsistent. Remember, this broadcast is just like 30 minutes to 40 minutes. So gold, there are some times that I trade it and it's just before this live broadcast. Okay, but I see it's moving quite nicely. It actually retested this level. So there were buys that were taken here and it broke that, retested this level and sold. So that is absolutely beautiful. I do like using Fibonacci's because of this reason. Okay, NASDAQ, we are in profit. We are in profit, guys. We are in profit. I'm not sure if it just shows as much as it will show on the phone. But yeah, it's beautiful profits on NASDAQ over there. I'm just going to concentrate on where I've taken a trade on. But you can also as well just screenshot there. Let me just show you how much you are making on this trade. This is not a show off. This is just me praising God for what is happening over here. I do not show off, hence I do not show off some lifestyle and so forth. I'm just here as an educator. When you see me on the street or we're driving past each other, just say hello, teacher. Don't say hello, guru or anything. I'm just a teacher. And that's what I do. That's what I do. Take me as a lecturer or as a teacher. I just want to show you. I'm not sure why it's taking time to load over here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm just trying to show you the trade that I took off this prop firm. It's just taking time to load. Too blessed to be stressed, guys. There we go. So I will see. It's not a promise on gold. It's not a promise on gold, but we will see if we can squeeze it in later on. We will see. Okay, US30 did spike as we see now is starting to go as well nicely there. Okay, I want you guys to take screenshots of what's happening here. Please, guys, take screenshot of what's happening. And also do share with us on your stories, guys. Okay, do share with us on your stories. Screenshot your profits or so forth and share with us on your stories. I'm just gonna have to go on my desktop. Firms have switched to this thing, this platform, your C Trader and so forth. Guys, this thing frustrates. What's happening here? Okay, I'm not sure why it's not showing my trade. So I took a trade with my prop firm. I'm not sure why it's not showing this trade. We didn't hit take profit already. I just wanna see. Oh, trail stop hit me here. Okay, so I'm out on 500 US dollars. Gee. Okay, I'll just show you guys what's happening there. Some of you guys are not seeing what's happening because you're only seeing the chart on your screen. I just want to show you the trade history. Hopefully it does show it properly there. So I was on this trade over here. I was on this trade, this euro pound, and this is the profit there. I'm not sure if you can see it. That's the profit for today. So definitely, glory be to God. Glory be to God. Look at that. Okay. Let's see. Gold will sell off, bro, at home sales. Yeah, we do have home sales at 4 o'clock, but I'll be out by then, guys. As I said, this live stream today is gonna run a bit, just a few minutes over here. But nevertheless, I believe you guys saw the trades that we took on NASDAQ. I'm not yet closing off because I'm just waiting for this trade. But as you can see, NASDAQ is good, guys. Let's see US30. US30 is still playing around over there. But NASDAQ, we are good because I am on NASDAQ as well. I'll show you the profits that we made over there. But NASDAQ is good. I did take it off a broker and I just want to show you exactly what we are doing over there. There we go. Okay, let me just show you NASDAQ, we're in profits. NASDAQ, we're in profits. I'm trying to show you as much as I can. There we go. That's my entries there. The same entry that you see on your screen, that's the entry that I took over there. I'm literally trading live with you guys. Then you'll hear some people when I post news trading or anything, oh, that's luck. Guys, trading is not luck. You saw how I analyze, if you've been tracking how I analyze, you saw it's not a game of luck, it's just game of respecting, guys. Respecting, as you saw, I took confluences when we're analyzing NASDAQ over here. I was adding confluence after confluence to make sure that when I take the trade, it's enough risk for me to take the trade, right? There should be enough confluence to it. So you will hear people saying, oh, that bro was so lucky there. It's not luck. Trading shouldn't be a game of luck. We're not gambling. This is not Betway. We're using principles that everybody in trading uses, such as price action. We apply those principles and we make money. Simple as that. And sometimes you can apply the same principles and lose money, but you want to make sure you lose money with risk management being involved. As much as here, I did not risk my whole capital, even though it's a winning trade. Jackson says, how long do you normally hold when trading the New York Stock Exchange opening bell on indexes? As far as take profit is concerned, it doesn't normally match. I wouldn't say I hold 1 minute or so. It's not like news. News, 2 minutes, I'm out. This is according to structure, right? So I can hold as long as it's to my take profit. I can also trail stop it as it goes. So, but yeah, this is usually how I trade. If you watch all from day one all the way to yesterday, even today, this is exactly how I trade. Doesn't mean that I don't get losses. I do get losses, guys, but I just obey what the market has to do. Okay, so we are in profits. Whoever was in that trade with me, God bless you, you are in profit. I don't know who took NASDAQ with me over there. Anyone that took NASDAQ with me, let me know. Let me know. Anyone that took NASDAQ with me, send me results over here. So you can send me results over here. And anyone who wants to know about us, that is Skilled FX Academy. We're an institutional, we're an educational institution that aims to provide the highest quality of Forex education in the simplest way. So if you were educated right now in the simplest way, you could understand exactly what I was doing. That's my goal. I don't complicate it. I don't talk a lot of stuff. As you could see, just simply supply and demand over there, finding fair value gaps in supply and demand, and that's it. Okay, we do have more strategies. So I do have a strategy that assured me as an extra confluence, right? But I can't reveal all of those stuff over here. Some of these strategies are my life's work, so I can't reveal them over here. I can reveal them, of course, within our courses. So if you want more information than what you're getting over here, if you're not satisfied with certainly what you're getting over here, you can always go to our advanced trading course. The same number that you see over there, you can inquire. We do have a special that's going on, 50% off our trading course. So definitely, if you are more than interested, that's the number that you can use there, and you get that 50% off. We are closing it very soon on the 30th of June. 30th of June, we are closing that special for 50% off our mentorship. Okay, so far we're going. Let me just see how much in terms of 1:1. Are we approaching 1:1? Somewhere here it's 1:1. So okay, so overall is 1:2 that I'm aiming for. But I'll start to trail stop somewhere here. Okay, I just want to take something here. Okay, there we go. Let me just take this and put it there, just to say that's my take profit one. Okay, 1:2. So at 1:1, I will now take profit and or I take partials and then leave the rest to run. Okay, that's we do. That's what we're doing over there. Okay, did anyone take this trade? Did anyone take this trade over here? Okay, did anyone take NASDAQ today? Did anyone take US30 or anything of that sort? Let's just check. So, but I was quite vocal on NASDAQ. That's the trade that I took. We're still in profits, as you can see. Amazing, amazing. So one of my students did take NASDAQ. That's amazing. That's amazing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is amazing news, guys. So yeah, you can hold with me all the way from the entry to that line where it is. I'll just show you the price over here. Put something like where's that price thing? There's a price thing that you can put on your chart to just indicate where is price. Price label. There we go. Okay, so that's where I am getting out of the trade. So the price that you see there, that's where I'm getting out of the trade. Guys, this is not luck. As I said, I've been saying it, this is not luck. This is just applying simple principles on the market. Amazing, amazing. We praise God. We praise the living God for this. All in the name of Jesus, we praise you, Lord. We praise you. We give you all the glory. Okay? Don't mind me praising God. That's what I do each and every time I make profits, because this is food for my house. I'm blessed with a wife and 2 boys, so this is food for my house. I just hope that you also made food for your house through this, brother. This is beautiful. Look at that. When I zoom in, that is a very beautiful trade over there. Still going, as you can see, still going. Woo, amazing, amazing, amazing. It's still going. We are pushing, we are pushing, we are approaching take profit one over there. We're approaching take profit one. Oh, that's bad, that's bad. Let me just leave it like this. We're approaching take profit one. Beautiful trade. And as well, do you see the stop loss? Fair stop loss. I didn't put it like so many other traders would do, where they will go something like this. Less than you're risking with a lot of capital, you could have gone something like this, but it's still fine. Something like this is still fine. We are still pushing, guys. We're approaching the take profit area there. Ah, praise God, praise God, praise God. Praise the living Jesus. Come on. Look at that. There we go. There we go. We're about to hit take profit. We're about to hit take profit. We're about to hit take profit. Ah, look at that, guys. We're about to hit take profit. We're about to hit take profit. Please do screenshot and send some of your profit screenshots. Send them to our number that's displayed there, or just tag us on your Instagram. Oh, amazing. I see somebody says they doubled their account from 600 to 1.2. Woo! Amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This is beautiful. This is exactly what I want to see. Okay? It's exactly what I'm looking for, guys. Amazing, amazing. So, did you see this? This was not by coincidence. This is not luck, as other people who are just bypassers will conclude that we are lucky people over here. We just use principles. You know, one time is luck. The second time, you be like, maybe you're lucky a bit. But the third time, that's consistency, right? And that's where now people say, I want to learn, because they see the third time. But we're going to run this thing. You will see the consistency. Some days we will lose, some days we will win, right? But it's all about consistency, mastering risk management. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Not sure if it did hit take profit one there. No, it didn't. It didn't. Okay. This candlestick is left with 5 minutes. Once the candlestick closes, I'm also out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. I'm glad Brother Lisiba there multiplied his accounts. Lisiba Kumar. Amazing, amazing. Who else took this trade? Who else took this trade? So this will be 1:1, and then we go on even higher. Uh, Amazing, guys. So NASDAQ today was absolutely beautiful. The confirmation was on par. I mean, the stocks as well. Stocks were just confirming this so much to say we are bullish. And of course, when it came to the chart, as well as the chart was indicating that we are bullish. And of course, together we are making money. So that's wonderful. That's wonderful. So my brother took it from 600 all the way to 1.6. You must withdraw that profit and bless yourself, or start again with your initial capital. That's what I usually do. Okay, so if I've doubled an account, I usually just take out my profit, then I carry on with the initial deposit that I had. Then in that way, you don't rob yourself of the victory that you have achieved. Okay, guys, we'll be coming out of this very soon. We'll also be coming out of this live stream. I just want to thank each and everybody who's been watching and who had joined us. I thank you so much, guys, for joining me on this live stream. Tomorrow, again, I believe there's news tomorrow, so we're going to have to come in a bit earlier. on that to trade. So it's going to be 2:30 p.m. tomorrow. So that's what we're going to be trading. I believe there's news about, it's either the great, let's just see over there. There should be news about something. I just want to make sure. I think that's US dollar news. So tomorrow I'm going to come in a bit earlier. So I'm just announcing. Don't just come off. I just want to see quickly. Just want to go to my investing.com. Tomorrow, I think it's not retail sales, man. It's something else. Still loading. If somebody knows which news are tomorrow during New York session, but it's not at New York open. Don't forget home sales. Yeah, so the market will definitely react. It's gonna follow. It's gonna follow. So events like your home sales and so forth, they don't change market direction. They just follow. Tomorrow we have the domestic GDP, so domestic product over there. Okay, so tomorrow is what we have. Let me just post it over here. So this brother said we shouldn't forget in the next 5 to 3 minutes. So tomorrow we are trading this together. Okay, so I'm gonna come in at this time, GMT +2. I'm gonna come in at this time. Let me just post it over there. So tomorrow, catch me around this time. Tomorrow, catch me around this time where we're gonna trade. Okay. So we're gonna trade the gross domestic product of USA. So the GDP of USA. So we will also go into some fundamentals there and break it down for you. Amazing, guys. Amazing. As as I said, guys, we are running 50% off our advanced trading costs closing on the 30th. So on the 30th, we would have closed our 50% off our mentorship or our advanced trading costs. If you have been planning, people are not planning, carry on, watch our free content. If you have been planning, let's say we're planning saving up and so forth, you probably now have to just pay a one-time fee, just half of the money that you're saving up to join us. This knowledge that I'm teaching you, there's more to it. Okay, there's more to it. So tomorrow, yeah. So that's the two events that we have tomorrow. So that's what we're gonna be trading, brother. Yeah, that's what we want to be trading. See, now it's pulling back a bit, then it's just because it's just gonna shoot. Okay. Guys, I'm closing off. I'm closing off. People are joining me right now. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. You can watch how we started, how we really broke down some of this analysis and so forth. So, but yeah, nevertheless, thank you guys so much. I see somebody from the USA. I believe it's still morning there. Um, but yeah, here it's afternoon right now, so I'm gonna prepare to fetch my kids from school. That's why we close off. I can't run it the whole time. But nevertheless, thank you so much. Please do subscribe. If it was your first time watching this stream, we do it every day, and I do post videos within the London session predicting what's gonna happen during New York. So do also see those videos. I post them in the mornings usually. So do check them out and do subscribe, do like the stream, guys. I beg you, please. It does help this channel so much for more people to see what we're doing, to love what we're doing. I believe more people need this type of content. The more you like, the more the algorithm suggests this type of content to them. Okay, that's how YouTube works. So thank you so much. I will see you guys. I believe tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. I will do a countdown just as we are ending. God bless you, and Jesus loves you.